Hello all, good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, based on wherever you are. This is a quick video talking about upcoming events with respect to Business Central. Online events, which you can kind of attend by registering to them, and you get a lot of news, maybe a better perspective of the new features, because it's coming from Microsoft and other great people who uh, use these products more frequently than us whenever a new release comes up. So I'll go into sequence one by one. We'll understand what is coming when, how you can register, which options are still able to register, and there are some which are already full. So sorry for that. I should have kind of done this earlier. But the first session is what's new in Business Central 2024 release wave 1, which is actually today on 14th of March. Uh, and the speakers are James, Andren, and Eric. We all know that they know the product pretty well, right? They surely would have used every feature that has been coming up with Business Central 2024 release wave 1. But unfortunately, there's a cap of how many attendees can be there, which is 1000, and they all are full. The slots are full, so you cannot register for this event. But on this site, you'll also see that because there is a lot of demand for attendees to attend this session, the recording will later be available on the Dynamics community or the community portal after the webinar. So you can surely look into the directions for partner website to have access to the recording after it is done at 10 p.m. It'll be over India time. Hopefully after that, the link of the recording will be available in the directions website. So don't worry if this is gone. The second thing that is coming up is the Business Central launch event, which actually starts on April 4th. And for that, you can just do aka ms/bcle. I'll put the link into the first pinned comment. Microsoft is doing it for a while now. So in every release, Microsoft does announce the launch event, where on the first day there is surely a keynote, and then there is a full schedule of each deep dive of each and every topic, which is announced in the latest release, in this case 2024 release wave 1. The schedule seems pretty detailed, from Power Platform to Dataverse to sustainability, which we haven't, and including me, I haven't explored it yet. E-documents, cost analysis, and other features which you have read around it. And the insights will be good because it's coming from Microsoft. So we just kind of scratch the surface when we are learning about the new feature. But this is a good event because during this event, you also get an option to do live Q&A. If you are, playing with the new release and you have some questions, you can directly talk to Microsoft on this live Q&A section and other people in the community. So I'd highly encourage everyone to register for the Business Center launch event, which is on April 4th. So just keep that in mind. Don't worry, the link will be into the description. Okay, but then there's one more coming up following in the same week, I guess. So, and I'll again put the link of this. And this is Microsoft Business Application Launch Event. It specifically seems to be focusing on AI, what is possible. And as if you notice on the launch event for Business Central, there's a lot of AI stuff that's coming up with this new release. So it's would be pretty interesting to see how or Microsoft is utilizing the power of AI into other areas of their product set. So this event happens on Wednesday, April 10th, 9 to 10 Pacific time, and you can register for it. And you'll find people who are from AI for sure and there is someone from AI ERP, which makes sense. So you can actually sign in with your account. You can use LinkedIn or your official email IDs and all, and then you can get a confirmation on your email, and I'll see you there because as you can see, I've already registered for this event. But before I let you go with these three information of these three session, I was talking to someone and they said, "Oh, what's a better way to kind of organize or to see what's coming up other than MSDN?" And I thought about it and I said, maybe most of the people don't know it, but there is actually a website called AKAMS/release planner. Now, the release planner gives you what's coming up into the product. It's grouped into two areas. One is Power Platform, and one is the whole Dynamics 365, which includes all the offerings from Microsoft. But as you are focused on Business Central, you can surely go into Business Central and see a better way or better view of what's coming up and when it is coming up. Okay. This list gets up to date as soon as possible. So you can see that there are 53 features included in the plan. There are some which are coming soon, which means in this month, somewhere they'll be updated into your CDX environment or preview environment that you'd have created. And then there are some which are ready for your testing right now. So you can kind of scroll through this list based on different areas where these enhancement has been done. They're nicely grouped in the way as you see it in MSDN, but it gives you a better readability of it. Plus, not just this, if you come here, if there are videos available, you can see them here also. And then here you can see the timeline when they will be available. So you can download the wave summary from here. You can add certain interesting ones for you into your own planner. So I need to sign in, but once you sign in, you can just add these items into it here, and then that becomes my release planner, anything that you add there. So then you can kind of piggy bank on things that you think are interesting, which are planned for the future. So that gives you that flexibility in comparison to doing it on MSDN. So these are the three events and release planner that I wanted to talk about today. I'm pretty sure that I'll see you in all those events and you'll be able to utilize the capabilities of release planner. And all the links for registration on all these different events will be available on the first pinned comment of this video. And you know the drill, so I'm not going to repeat it. Like, share, and subscribe if you think this was useful and other community member can get help out of it. Then do please do share this video. Thank you and have a nice day.